The Mount Rushmore Face That Couldn't See.
South Dakota by Lisa and Ella.
Alright, we learned about Mount Rushmore from the book Mount Rushmore and the Face That Couldn't See. Our groups broke up into two research groups to learn more about South Dakota and Mount Rushmore.
South Dakota's map. South Dakota's map is shaped like a rectangle and is larger than all New England states together. It's part of the Great Plains.
The South Dakota flag was adopted in 1909.
South Dakota's agriculture. They grow sunflowers and have over 5 million acres of corn.
Native Americans in South Dakota. The Sioux American Indians lived in South Dakota. They followed the buffaloes around.
South Dakota highlights. What would people come there for? To see Mount Rushmore in real life? Maybe I think the food there is good.
Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore has 4 presidents. One president is Thomas Jefferson. Another is Theodore Roosevelt.
Places in South Dakota. In South Dakota, there's a cowboy camp and Arikara village. There's also a Bagland National Park.
Thank you for listening to our side presentation about South Dakota. Now you can learn about
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore by Alexis S. and Sonia O. What is Mount Rushmore? It is famous. People like to visit. It has 4 presidents on it. Mount Rushmore being worked on. Mount Rushmore was built in 1925. It took about 6.5 years to make the stone sculpture. It was finished in 1927. 415,000 tons of rock was removed to make the sculpture to make one of the faces. South Dakota. Mount Rushmore is located in South Dakota. South Dakota is in the United States. Fun facts. Mount Rushmore is also called Mount Rushmore National Park. There is more than 200 ways to say and spell Mount Rushmore. It took over 5 years to make the stone sculpture. About 4 planes fly into Mount Rushmore every 2 days. The population of Mount Rushmore is 925,667. Where I got my information and more. Thank you for watching.